Hello, this is my number trace code. At the top we have the global variables current color, current scene, and current number. Current number is the number we'll be tracing. Current scene is the scene that we're on, and the color is black as of now, which will be changed later on in the code. Here we have the variables for the Bitmoji, which have very much so been gone over in many different things. We have the con button code, which does all the mouse inside functions and handling mouse clicks. Here we have the first button that I made, which is the red button, which you can't see yet because it's on the second screen. But when you click it, it changes the color to red. It's labeled red. It's a new button. This is the yellow button. It's the exact same thing as the red button, except the color is yellow and the label is yellow. And the blue button, which I'm sure you can probably assume that the color is blue and the label is blue. Here we have the clear button, which I was a little confused on this part. It was definitely the part that I added last, because I couldn't figure out whether I should have the clear button underneath the second scene or above the second scene. And the way I did it was just to make a whole nother scene in the clear button, because I couldn't figure out how to get it to work any other way. Here we have the tracing screen, which is not this scene, this is the title scene, but calls the background just black, makes the text size, it makes a 1, and makes the buttons, and then we have a draw function, which if mouse is pressed, then it makes an ellipse at the mouse X, mouse Y with no stroke at whatever color is selected. So it's like a paintbrush. Here we have the start button, which is right here, which says click here to start. And when you click it, it moves on to the next scene. We have our mouse clicked function, which handles all the mouse clicks for all the buttons. And we have our title screen, which calls the background just yellow. Learn how to trace a 1, choose a color, trace the outline for directions. Then we have our Bitmoji, my name, and the start button. And at the bottom we call the title scene so that that's where it starts. And let's see how it works. So you click on the button and you have an outline of a 1 and 3 buttons on the side to change the color, the button on the bottom to clear it. Let's go with red. As you can see, makes a red 1. We click on yellow, it changes to yellow. If you click on blue, it changes to blue. And if you think that you are done with your artistic masterpiece, would like to trace a 1 again, you hit the clear button, and boom, you're back to where you were when you hit the click to start button, and you can redo it again. So anyways, that is my code.